Leanna Crawford, I Know a Place on 99.5 KADI. Today's devotion is Restored Strength. I know that when you're weak, you feel as though God has abandoned you and you're on your own. When your prayers aren't being answered when you think they should be, you struggle with your faith and doubt can get the best of you. You need rest, physical rest and spiritual rest that helps you renew and restore your strength. It's when you're weak and tired that you will often see God's power more than ever before because you are ceasing from your striving, surrendering, because you realize you can't do what only God can. All too often in life, you must face your challenges in God's strength, not your own. You can't fight many of your battles that you encounter. Only God can. When you surrender to God, allowing God to help you in your weakness, you can not only rest, but witness miracles in your life like never before because you are finally allowing God to be God. Isaiah chapter 40 verse 31 says, "But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength." So let go and let God, as the song says. Yes, that's so good. We got to surrender everything to God and let Him take care of it. Rest is so important. Spiritual rest and physical rest. They go together, hand in hand. Here's David Crowder Band. Here is our King on 99.5 KADI.